The National Weather Service in Fort Worth has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Dallas County in north central Texas until 7:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 6:24 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Coppell and is nearly stationary. Another severe storm was located near Grand Prairie and was also stationary. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Dallas, Irving, Grand Prairie, Carrollton, Euless, Grapevine, Coppell, Farmers Branch, University Park, Addison, Highland Park, and Cockrell Hill. This includes the following interstates: Interstate 35E between mile markers 430 and 445. Interstate 30 between mile markers 32 and 44. For your protection, get inside a sturdy structure and stay away from windows.